we're going to move over to the light crude market /CL. And we're going to go, that's a look at our side-by-side chart that you see right there, weekly on the left, daily on the right with our projections. And we're going to focus on the chart in here on a light crude on the daily. The accounting for the week, we're not going to get a lot of credit on the stock market. And the reason for that is even though we talked about it going up, we talked about the strong upward momentum and that it was likely to continue, it went higher through the levels. So we're going to ding ourselves for that because we thought it would stop somewhere between 3302, 3306, something like that. But the S&P 500 moved up through it. And the light crude market, we get a small little ding on it because it didn't bounce quite as much as we thought that it would. So let's take a look here. Remember, we're looking at the sum of the evidence, and I'm going to take into consideration what I see in the intermediate patterns that you don't see here as I look out 1 to 3 weeks. In each of these, and we'll call that our short-term view, 1 to 3 weeks. So we thought that light crude was weak. We thought that the sum of the evidence showed it had made a big top and that we wanted to sell bounces, and you barely could get a bounce. We're going to call this week very similar. Some of the evidence is that there is a big top, and we want to sell bounces. Now, we think that the break is going to take it now, this break, as it skids down on the negative momentum that it just has taken on, down towards this intermediate support zone. This comes from the weekly chart. Note the 89-day moving average coming across right here. That's probably going to give it support. Also, we're going to look for it to get below 57.40. That's about $1 down from where it is right now on this weaker momentum and on this cycle coming down right over here. And then probably a bounce into that sell zone coming out in a few weeks. So we're going to look for kind of a week down and then a week or two on the upside, and then moving to the downside again as we look out for 3 weeks.